Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandal in the City, where I unbox luxury goods and pre-loved items. If you're interested in seeing what I'm unboxing today, please keep watching. On the weekend, I stopped by Louis Vuitton because I had pre-ordered some items, and unfortunately there was only one that I could get because they sold out so very quickly. So, pardon my voice, I'm just getting over the flu. So it comes in the Louis Vuitton box. You know the typical receipt. So let's get together and unbox it. The standard ribbon. Tour box. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited to see this. I didn't even see it online. So let's take it out of the dust bag. Oh my god, guys. Oh, pardon me. Ready to reveal. Christmas Animation 2019 in canvas damier bin. Look at that. I just love it. Look at the little cart. So cute. I did try to get the other one, but unfortunately it was sold out. I just love it with the red. Made in France. Go ahead and look inside. With the beautiful red interior. Let me take this out. Closer look. It is a stunning little piece, guys. Look at that with the pink. I think they did a really good job on this one. And look at the tree. Amazing, amazing little piece. So I'm so happy I was able to get that, and my sales associate reached out to me. So that little beautiful item. And then I have something else here in this bag. Receipt again. I don't know if you guys have seen this one yet, but I just happened when I went into the store, she showed it to me and I decided to take it. Not quite sure if I'm going to keep this one. Oh, the box is awfully stiff. And the dust bag. And it's still in the plastic. Okay, let's undo it. It's a little bandeau. And here is the SKU. And also the price. I thought it was a little pricey, but I'm still on the fence. Undecided, like I said. All the tags. Look at this one, guys. Look at the bottom. She told me it was Swastrian crystals. Not quite sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Look at the color, guys. Starts off with them on this side as well as this side. The colors are just beautiful. Ombre. And then it goes around to this side. Is that not gorgeous? Really different, unique. It came in two colors. It came in this one as well as one that's got the pinks and blues, I believe. Is that not gorgeous? This is the back side. See how it goes from the ombre dark all the way up? Just beautiful, guys. And there is item number, if you're interested at all. It is gorgeous. It's called the Rising Confidential Beige Bandeau. M76118. I just love it. Look at the ends. Anything that sparkles, I have to have it. I think it's a little pricey though. Canadian dollars. $335 without the taxes. So like I said, I'm unsure if I'm going to keep this little item. Comment below and let me know what you think. It is gorgeous. So I thought I would show these two new items with you. And like I said, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, if I should keep it or if I should return it. So thanks for watching, guys. Live life to the fullest. Follow your dream. Have an amazing day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.